Honorable Kennedy Japan area me wo obi enim se me yadaw waba ne ye
abuza from mamu nyina makwaba e de bagana nsem TV so but omo de so be like video no be subscribe to the channel no what turn on notifications say be next time videos of this nature eba also sabit makabina so akere wa comment section ho me be hu bia from Mr President Amejo so TikTok o comment section ho ba bia be hu bia from Mr President Amejo so ko yin na edwum me say that bia no e betim the new patriotic party aba power na ya bana Ghana fo nyina ho ato ko amamo we die e dey need to Sudan say man we need that bia na de bia me ka sem bi say amanyasom ne yeye no so wa mo ni anda ho a ho be chiro pa the moment I be hold the public office and say who say you own it a responsibility, I mean a sole responsibility to serve the ordinary Ghanaian. But I think say I do retirement nkofo bebree if you say a public office no more hold it. As a result of that, it is their sole responsibility to impact and improve lives of people. They have forgotten about that. Abushami chankra, momi enko. Yenko ko video bi mra. Na video no we are going to take our time and digest the issues out of the perspective of the ordinary guy, not the perspective of Mr. President here. Women commerce here.
Japan area me wo obi enim se me yadaw waba ne ye debate na man din wudin na me bo first by time se mo obeyi anu ya mama ba mu buo sebe enye NPP opposition ye nyina ye press NPP betimi asa back ntinka santem we nya wo na beba be yi anu because amamuo no onabo na wudi mu akotene amamuo no na wo ka ho bi NPP amamuo no onabo Kennedy Japan na wo ka ho enti so man timi anye bibi 8 years enu ti no mako opposition na se NDC aba enu ti mo nya adwuma enu ti ma NPP nkoka se ade bi sei mo anye nti mo meye onabo wa mama ba mu abu utimi ta bato na wanwi ne na ho yaw sewmu wem ye hunu se yawdie pa esewmu onabo
This argument. Use your facts. Option as a document no unia DM me the amount. DM me fact based account no you be push the amount. Okwodina baby na wo kwaye argument fa fact ni videos fa kwa Br0 mo. That is the best way to change the narrative than say wo kodi atem. The moment you change the conversation to attend the day, it means that asem na walk and no. Meanwhile, there is no truth to what he is saying. There are documents on one case the signature Asha all stating as far back as 2022 and year Kato said Afari Hospital is 90% complete. So if you people one person ignore him. For the sake of NPP, ignore Honorable Ken and his utterances. Umpel, also one kind of base, what I saw NPP. Ignore him. Ignore Honorable Ken. When he make utterances, me say, Fanessa woman me and our papa winning the TV, whether monopause or pekasa. Ignore him. Men so. The moment a man so sonen samosono and some enko babia. But if you people keep on reposting the videos, you keep on reacting to the videos, obi a want ye bete. Me see anopa we me ba ma ya ade ba ko mu notice ye. And sa ade ba ko say ma address this issue without playing Honorable Ken's voice.
Kesia. Made in Dubone baga kesia. Ana maame no. Edify immigration, edify port, edify all the checks, export edicopy Australia, and Yacheno. And what your Australian authorities now almost the street value of that drug in Uboneno in excess of $300 million. 300 million US dollars and any Nubonia and this year buying a boasa UK mameno and more sporty a free Ghana. Edicopy UK. Now you say why na war NDC abani mu am or yes and she say no e make sure say maame no can have access to your import na watwe sa bags akese ye enuboni ewom e de free Ghana I export e dia ko Australia. Why na wo NDC abani mu a sika anka ebe piem e this illicit drug trade no nka obenya so mfaso. Who made this possible? Sa na ma we nyina. We will get to that point. We will get to that point. We will call them out. Sana last year, 2025, NDC abani omunya azumi office. Mysterious plane be air ambulance be ABC Ghana a chin cocaine at the call Grand Canaria. You can't want them. Omo kochi Reverend Team Fojo or no be expose NDC abeng. Sa sebono NDC abeng SCP no under carpet. But this time it's not going to happen. Yan tinaho Emma Mum Ghana bedane coast of illicit drug trading baby. Yeah, exporting in Nuboni baby. In Nuboni a free echo a viasi in and I don't know. Interior Minister Muntaka Ebeka said Volta region has become the hub for weed. Obonsam Tower, Volta region, ye dear pa ye export Nigeria, any other African countries. Ghana yaji dimboni in just less than 2 years NDC fui Azumi office. Omu yo my Ghana sika omu bogana for chrono. Big push yo omu de bogana for chrono ye good omu bogana for chrono. Petroleum downstream honum omu bogana for chrono. Afi more sign delay in drugs. More sign any drug lords. Omo ye cartel, they have criminal syndicate, trading in illicit drugs, money akuna collaborate, use Ghana as coast, as a place exporting illicit drugs across the country. We will not sit down for these people to bring shame to Ghana because say ye greedy, ye from ye criminals, person tamuti. So this matter there, ye njai man slide that. And this way. They are a bunch of thieves. They are a bunch of criminals. Omo wa bema. Omo ne ma mene come with tipam huam. Omo de sa nuboni akesi. Sa met akesi. Bag akesi. Every Ghana kopi mu Australia ne. We Ghana ni na uko Australia ya besho tutu. We will fish all of them out. And Mahama ne na aban should come out and answer. And answer questions. Epanya ma mene fast one. Utimi BT all checkpoints. Epanya ma mene fast one. Utimi edi sa nuboni efa Ghana export Ghana export free Ghana edi kopie mu ho a obi antimi en detecting. We will get to the bottom of this matter.
That sword ebe sha se dey one. Yey when na ekwa America e wo park so a o say wadi kan o onu no di kan o di first. But first no or say mempe first no but me jam first na madi no na maba be di last na maba be chance ye foforo what be that what it look like tuna ye to aba editia honorable Kennedy Japan no ase ye akakra wonimu eni nti na ode kasa no because
je na da no se mu de bia ye ka ho asem oman we just say yenim oman issue ayewo ko ye hwe ne ma papa na adan kwaku fo Dr. Laji Mahmood Bawumia ye de ma oman we a any 2024 elections eko no ma Dr. Bawumia e den na de kire Ghana fa se me ba we ni we na me yama mo na busia na ke ye nsem pata de yensa kan serious so can in fact oman bi timi ko borrow oman bi presidency oman bi timi ko borrow oman bi leaders are KBA, the new patriotic party, the leaders of the party, KBA borrow another African country to cause development there. For the first time in the history of the country, we have generalized free senior high school. The word is generalized. For the first time in the history of the country, we have active drone delivery systems. For the first time in the history of the party and of the country, Yetimi Enya active and well facilitated health facilities across the length and breadth of the country. Agenda 111. We may say impoyen because the agenda na person here number of hospitals in person is intimate because of time. But those ones it really component go and see how they have been operationalized. And then me look at say we have some of the hospitals in fact equipping hospitals not all right but because of political tantrums and political gains many can say here hospital and go sana no me say it is a Kenyan you say na no me nyina be ya check scan kwa kaya de wasa botumi wo say oh I say wo say NPP for ya akonfo ne ma akonfo ti ma sacrifice discard to what they are hospitals na mo so mo ya akonfo akonfo ti ma facilitate me say o be fund free seniors mo so mo ya akonfo isi enye Ghana for dey bi na fe na tables na ten afi dem okeke mu kakaka why are they shouting obi ankara no ntum ne nko no ho asofo no mo nko ma no ntu asofo no with the greatest of respect o mo nko ma no ntu ne nko nyina ye ho chief imam for nko ma no ntu ne nko nyina ye ho politicians nko ma no ntu ne nko nyina ye ho market women o mo nko ma no ntu ne nko nyina ho obi ankara no ntu ne nko nyina ye ho 2020 do they will know the way forward yeti kroma obi so ono oba ono the credit scoring system be ba mo so open konketenkete nase bibini na nkasa de se bi ye bibia yanketenkete ya adwen yanketenkete ye bibia ye bia invest kwa ye yanketenkete we want everything in pieces we don't want everything in bulk adi asem kwa ni obi ma credit scoring system also open konketenkete obi introduce electric or electronic bus systems mo so open konketenkete is enya mo den you people chose policy you people chose music over policy na ne yete ne nyine ho papa na fe na mbusu a kire me na wo ne wo sia kire me se bi me na me ko ka kire Br0 ndamani ma so o mema was come to mutu wana ye wa ha digitalization ye start say ye mo se dabi digitalization en to kinki nti mo pe kinki sika nti amamu papa na ba o mo ma mo kinki amamu a ade na mo kam ye wo krom ha ya e de Br0 ndamani ma ko gina efese enkanfo mu gafo ka chom say oh gafo de oh na mo de onye kinki na mu hia digitalization bia e na gafo so okay ne beto aba na ma bum mo to aba ma kinki government a etimi
Sese die ko ye kwa de menu now to me who letter be a yoko for tro ye about council of state member voter region na me say films Remona Chapa ya happen say where ye can say Israel train
but the issue is true.
Okwa any letter now was say council of state member no ye former staff emanam one which is never true.
Onya juma order. And Onya Juma or hot da. I'm a number one for the first time. Number one, I post. Oh, yes. Number one, I post. Yeah, no, catch you. We say, oh, the paneboa. Or sister, I'm not. Listen for the first time. Number one, and quack baby, aquadan. And then I'm one. Yes. Not just say, what's in Ukraine? Say, state institution, we are intelligence institution. Who need intel? Ayaka, bro.
Problem ni nyina say
economy no kwa na eboa
problem ni nyina say papa or council of state member or company to good before grab good board beba no to me create good board alliances no to me to good to me to good etimi good kwa manone anoni adwuma ko bia kwa pam say me supply o good between June 2025 to June 2026 within 4 or 5 months we me supply good no over 75%. Omo koso na se mentem ho ase ba wone nipa na oni business ena nipa na fa case di Br0 yoko se osusi se nipa na sisi no yoko we invite directors and managers of the company mo buy who take your statement ama o grant o mi bo mo koi wako court yoko na court o court no court will really dey tiawo say this is a civil matter. This is not a criminal because you're a state institution. And you fight for the state and not individual. And this is a civil matter. Already know what's what fee on my account without authorization. And I say order from court. And as High Court really say the unique case. What ferry akona koda afi the old fediana afi the was by I say any mokra mo da mempemubium adwuma wura na ankasa na mepenache no. We invite ten na our my no issue document say we a fugitive. Jane. Thank you. Personal attack as if say your office one and they use any personal agenda. And you're so sad.
No, Raymond Wankasa, me Martin Yamabemi and Sebia. I don't want to talk about.
No, me see the member who know what the very soon who recordings a BP. Very soon who recordings are a BP. And this state institutions are on Sano Huno, and no crash, I'm sorry, I'm for my